Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to explain the chapter mole concepts of chemistry. Okay. Let me discuss some numericals related on this chapter. Mole concept chapter name is mole concept. Let us take one question. How many particles are there in 0.1 mole of a substance? My question is, how many particles are there in 0.1 mole of a substance? First of all, you should know 1 mole of a substance is equal to how many particles? 1 mole, 1 mole of a substance, 1 mole of substance contains how many particles? That is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. And this number is called Avogadro number. Okay. I think it is clear. 1 mole of a substance contains this number of particles. This number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. 1 mole of any substance contains this much number of particles. And here your question is, how many particles are there in 0.1 mole? That means 0.1 mole of the substance contains how many particles? Means you have to multiply 0.1. 0.1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. Yes or no? 0.1 means 1 by 10 and this will be adjusted here. 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 particles. And this is the answer. Okay? This is the question already given and I have solved here. Let us go take question number 2. Question number 2 it is giving, calculate the total number of atoms present in 18 grams of water. I am writing the question, calculate the total number, calculate the total number of atoms, calculate the total number of atoms present in 18 grams of water. Okay, this is the question, you have to find out the answer. I am repeating the question here. Calculate the total number of atoms in 18 grams of water. First of all, you know, 1 mole contains how many atoms? Okay, 1 mole contains, that is Avogadro number, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. 1 mole means this much number of atoms. First make it clear. And 1 mole of water, how many atoms are there? 2 hydrogen. Water means what? H2O. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. 1 mole contains this much number of atoms. And first of all, you should know, a water molecule contains how many atoms? A water molecule contains 3 atoms, means 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Okay. Therefore, 3 mole will contain, 3 mole contains how much? That means you have to multiply 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. This is nothing but just have to multiply 6 3 is 18, sorry 6 3 is 9, 18.069 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Why I am writing 3 mole here? Because molecular formula of water is H2O. and 1 molecule of water contains 3 mole of atom, means 2 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. That's total 3 moles of atoms. Therefore, 1 mole means this much atoms, 3 mole equal to this much number of atoms. Okay. The molecular weight of water equal to how much? Molecular weight of water equal to how much? 2 plus 16, that is 18. 18 gram, yes or no? But 18 grams of water will contain, therefore 18 grams of water, that is H2O, contains how many atoms? Contains equal to 18 point, writing here 069 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of atoms. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. There are 2 questions I have completed on the chapter, more concepts. Thank you for today class. Next day I'll do more sums.